Hi guys! Just before Christmas I went in for a Siser raffle and I won this crafty pocket which arrived this morning. Now it was sealed up with a plastic cover and it was very well wrapped and put in another box. So yes, it's arrived in good condition, so that's great. I have opened it and removed some of the packaging because it came stuffed with this, which is great fun. I'm not sure what I can do with it. It just looks like I should be able to find another use for that, so I'll think about it. And I said I won this particular crafty pocket and I think it was called Snowy Dreams. It's white themed. So these selection boxes you can actually purchase. If you go onto the Siser website, you should be able to find where you can get them. This is a limited edition, and I don't know how readily available this particular selection is, but they do them in different colour themes and starter packs and all that sort of stuff. So I haven't opened up anything in here, just taken out all the packing. So we have a Craft Kitchen heat transfer vinyl postcard here. And it's got the information for the Siser email, etc. Now bearing in mind I'm in Spain, so the pockets and things that I get might be different to ones in the US, I do not know. So here we have a USB with 100 designs on it, and this one is holiday themed. So it's all holidays, not just Christmas holidays, and it's everything from Halloween and Independence Day, Valentine's, the whole lot. 100 different designs. And it's got a little fuzzy closer that you can keep it shut with. So we now have the easy weeder and a pair of tweezers, which is really quite good timing because I could definitely do with some decent tweezers at the moment. And we have a colour guide. I'll look at that in a second. And we have Decor 8 Volume 1, this particular one, and it's giving you different information on the various things that you can get and what you can use them for. I do find it quite amusing. They have a different cutting machine on the front, whereas of course we now have the Siser Juliet and the Romeo available. And of course I've got the Siser Juliet. So this is the heat transfer vinyl colour guide, and it looks like there must be a lot of colours in here. Yeah, quite a lot of colours by the looks of things. Also gives you the information on the tools that you can get, from heat resistant tape, the tool set, tweezers and weeder. You can buy those separately. So we have all these different types of films. I don't know what PS Film Extra is. I'd have to look that up. The patterned vinyls as well, and we've got some high visibility vinyls. Oh, very, very pretty metallics. And we've got twinkles, glitter vinyls, lots of those, very pretty colours. And we've got the brick and the strip flock pro. That's not easy to say that. We have holographic ones. Very, very pretty. So loads and loads of different varieties of vinyl. And I will have a good look at those at a later time because some of them just look so nice. Right, now I was really lucky because when I went in for the raffle, I was hoping that I would win this particular box. I had absolutely no idea, but the idea of winning colours that I'm going to find most useful was a good one. And as it happened, this is the one that I won. And it couldn't have been a better selection for me because it's all white based. I think the title was Snowy Dreams or something to that effect. So this one is a twinkle one, which is, it's a bit like a glitter vinyl, but it's a very smooth looking glitter, and this is in silver. So that's the first one. This one is the Strip Flock Pro in white. So this looks very much like a sticky backed velvet, but obviously it's heat transferable. We have silver here in the glitter, and that is very glittery. We have a white glitter, which reminds me very much of a white glitter powder I've got. It has flecks of glitter, and I think there's a bit of mauve in there, a bit of green, maybe some blue and pink, but basically white with hints of other colours. Snowstorm white sparkle, and that is a less glittery version. I think that's the only way to describe it. It's sparkling rather than glittering. Difficult distinction to make. And then we have a silver metallic, which is Easy Weed Electric. Now all these rolls come in 30 by 50 centimeters. So it's a great size if you want a tester of different colours or different types of vinyl. And I'm going to be looking forward to seeing what I can work out to do with these that isn't necessarily the sort of things that most people tend to do with HTV. Because you know me, I just have to be slightly different, don't I? So I will give that some thought. So if you're interested in different things to do with it, then by all means come back and search my channel later on for some videos. I just thought I'd show you the box. I think that they retail the boxes for about 44 euros. But for that you do get quite a lot of vinyl, and it's in different colours, and you get your tools and you get your designs as well. Thank you very much to Siser. I shall really have some fun with this. I'll see you all later. Take care.